In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input coordinates in Google Maps. This is perfect when you need to find a precise spot like a trailhead, a remote campsite, or a landmark that doesn't have a clear street address. First, get your coordinates. You might have them from a GPS device, a friend, a photo's location details, or a field note. If you can, copy them to your clipboard to avoid typing errors. Don't worry if they look different, Google Maps accepts several common formats. Next, make sure you have both latitude and longitude. Latitude comes first and runs north to south, longitude comes second and runs east to west. In decimal format, you'll often see something like 37.42198, 122,084,000. North and east are positive numbers, south and west are negative. In degrees, minutes and seconds, it might look like 37 DG25, 19.2 and 1.2 DG05, 02. 0.4W. Keep the order as latitude then longitude. Use a period for decimals and separate the two values with a comma. If your coordinates include N, S, E or W, keep those letters. If they use negatives, keep the minus sign. Small changes here can point you miles away, so accuracy matters. Open Google Maps on your computer, in a web browser, or in the mobile app. You don't need to sign in for this, but make sure you have an internet connection so the map can load. Give the map a second to finish initializing before you search. Type the coordinates into the search bar exactly as they appear. Pasting is ideal. If you're using decimal degrees, include the comma between the two numbers and the minus sign when needed. If you have degrees, minutes and seconds, keep the degree, minute and second symbols as well as the NSEW letters. Avoid extra words or labels like lat or long o, and try not to add unusual spacing. Press enter on your keyboard. On a phone or tablet, tap the search or go button. If nothing happens or you get an error, double check the order, confirm there's a comma between latitude and longitude, and make sure you didn't switch a period for a comma inside the numbers. Google Maps will zoom directly to the location and drop a pin. You'll see an info card at the bottom or side showing the coordinates it interpreted. That's a great way to verify you entered them correctly. From here you can zoom in, switch to satellite view to confirm landmarks or start directions. If the pin looks off, recheck the signs, the order, or whether you accidentally removed a symbol. With these steps you'll reliably go from raw coordinates to a precise point on the map.